The smaller model just beat the bigger one. On our AMD R9700 AI Pro, Google's Gemma 426B outran Laguna XS 2.1 in every single speed test. But there's a catch. Let me show you the numbers. Same hardware, same settings, same 5 tests. Both models are a mixture of experts. Laguna has 33.4 billion total params with 3 billion active. Gemma 4 has 25.2 billion total with 4 billion active. So Laguna has more parameters and fewer active ones. Gemma 4 should be slower, right? It has more active params to compute. Generation speed. 5 tests: coding, reasoning, creative, agentic, and knowledge. Laguna averaged 71 tokens per second, Gemma 4 averaged 74.9. That's a 5% win. But look at prompt processing. Laguna did 3018 tokens per second, Gemma 4 crushed it at 4018. That's 32% faster. Google's QAT, quantization aware training, is doing something special here. Here's where it gets crazy. VRAM usage. Laguna takes 24.2 gigabytes of VRAM. Gemma 4 takes 17.7, that is 6.5 gigabytes less. On a 32 GB card, that's the difference between having room for other workloads or not. You could run Gemma 4 alongside Comfy UI. You can't do that with Laguna. So Gemma 4 is faster and lighter. Game over, right? Not so fast. Look at the actual output. Laguna gives you clean text from the first token. Gemma 4 leaks channel tokens, this channel thought prefix, into every single response, even with reasoning disabled. Even with the right flags, that's a real problem if you're plugging this into an agent or an API client. And there's more. Both models got a 200 token limit. Laguna completed all 5 answers within the limit, 5 for 5. Gemma 4 hit the wall on 2 of 5. It ran out of tokens before finishing its answer. More active parameters means more to say, and sometimes that's not a good thing. Final scorecard. Laguna wins 6 categories: output cleanliness, answer completeness, instruction following, agentic suitability, code quality, and reasoning accuracy. Gemma 4 wins 3. Generation speed, prompt speed, and vRAM efficiency. So who wins? Depends on what you need. If you're running a production agent, Laguna. Clean output, reliable, no post-processing. If you're vRAM constrained, Gemma 4. 6 gigs less is huge, and it's faster. Here's the real takeaway. The local AI space is getting competitive. A 25 billion parameter model from Google just outperformed a 33 billion parameter model from Poolside on speed and memory. That's not supposed to happen. The MOE math says bigger active params means slower. QAT quantization changed the game, and the VRAM savings? That alone could make Gemma 4 the go-to for 24 gigabyte cards. But Laguna's output quality is still ahead. Clean, concise, production ready. The gap is closing fast. What should we benchmark next? There's a poll up on our community page right now. Laguna versus Qwen.6 27B, Laguna versus Gemma 4 with 28K context, or Laguna versus Mistral Small 3. Vote and drop your suggestions in the comments. Subscribe to BizFlowAI for more local AI benchmarks on real hardware. I'm Teddy. See you in the next one.